In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed an Instagram reel into Squarespace. Embed Instagram into Squarespace blog post. First, open your Squarespace website editor and head to the exact page or blog post where you want the reel to appear. Make sure you're in edit mode so you can add content blocks. Next, we need the embed code for your Instagram reel. Copy the full URL of the reel from Instagram. Now, use a service like iFrame's preview tool to generate a responsive embed. Paste the reel URL into the tool, click the button to check it, and then copy the embed code it provides. Quick tip: the reel must be public for embedding to work reliably. Back in Squarespace, click to add a new content block where you want the video. Choose the embed block. If you see a field asking for a link, switch it to accept custom code. Look for an option like Code Snippet or Embed Data. Open that panel, paste the embed code you just copied, and apply or set it. You should see a preview of the reel right away inside the editor. If you only see a gray box, don't worry. Squarespace often shows the full player after saving or in preview. If you're embedding this in a blog post, take a moment to set a custom featured image so your post looks great in your blog list. Upload an image that represents the reel and add descriptive alt text for accessibility. This won't change the embed itself, but it ensures your post has a strong visual when it appears in grids or summaries. Before publishing, open a preview in Safe Mode. Safe Mode temporarily disables third-party scripts so you can confirm that the embed itself is working as expected. Play the reel, check the sizing, and make sure it looks good on the page. If it doesn't load, double-check that you pasted the entire embed code into the code field rather than the link field, and confirm the reel's privacy is set to public. You can also adjust the block's width or alignment in Squarespace to better fit your layout. When everything looks good, exit Safe Mode, return to the editor, and click Save. That's it. Your Instagram reel is now embedded on your Squarespace page or blog post. As a final tip, consider adding a short caption or context below the embed so visitors know what they're watching, and test the page on mobile to confirm the reel scales nicely. Thanks for watching.